Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing. You are safe, you are very happy wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is the messages and the energies from your divine masculine to the divine feminine. So in this video I'm going to check what are the messages your divine masculine wants to give to you, what are they thinking, and what is the energy of them, and what are the next step they want to take towards you. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. And one more thing, it is the general collective divine masculine energy, and I hope it resonates with you and I help you out in some manner. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition, and leave the rest. But I will try my level best to deliver all the messages which I am getting for you. So in this video, the divine feminines and the divine masculine who are not in contact with each other, okay, no contact. So let's see what are they thinking and what are the current energy of divine masculine to the divine feminine. Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which divine masculine wants to give to the divine feminines all over the world. What are the messages they want to give? Give me the messages which are important to deliver to the divine feminines from the divine masculines. DM to the DF, what they want to say. Give me the messages. Let's start. What are the messages? Wow. They want to say you that you make them a positive person. You pamper them like your baby, and they are ready for new beginning, okay? You make them a positive person, okay, divine feminines. That's the message you are getting. That's the message they want to say to you, that you make them a positive person. You pamper me like your baby, okay? You pamper them like your baby. And they are ready for new beginning, okay? I'm ready for a new beginning. Let me see any other more message. See, it wants to come out again and again, and so I'm going to take it. You are the only one I wanna be with, okay? They want to stay with you, they want to live their life with you only. You are the only one I wanna be with, and they are ready for the new beginnings. What are the messages? I have known you in often lifetimes, okay? They also know that they know you in many lifetimes. You both have spent many past lives together, because this is the twin flame journey. So you both have spent many past lives together, okay? So that's true, and they know that. They know you. They want to be with you. They are ready for new beginnings. Let me see any other message from divine masculine to the divine feminine. Give me any other message they want to give. Any other message they want to give to my divine feminines. Give me, help me out to deliver the messages. I am not the same person that you remember, okay? I am not the same person that you remember. That's the message they want to give you. Beautiful message, because you make them a positive person, okay? Now they are very positive person. They have, you know, they have turned something which you even don't know. You don't know. They are not the same person which you remember, divine feminines. They are not the same person. You make me feel alive. You make me feel alive. You make me laugh continuously. So these are the messages they want to deliver. Let me see more messages. Let me see more messages. What are the messages Divine Masculine wants to give to my Divine Feminines? Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver. What are the messages? Too many messages. Okay. You think I am good looking no matter what, okay? That means you accept them as they are, okay? That's what they want to say. You think I am good looking no matter what. You love me like no other can love me, okay? You love me like no one other can love me. You make my fears melt away. You make my fears melt away, they want to say to you, okay? You are just such a nice person. You are just such a nice person. You call or text me to see if I am okay. You must be calling or texting them to see that they are okay when you both were communicating, or if you still come messaging them, okay? So they like this quality of yours, that you call them or text them to see that they are okay or not, okay? You make their fears go away basically. You love them like no one other can love them, okay? Then there is the sparkle in your eyes makes my day. The sparkle in your eyes, Divine Feminine, makes their day. They love your eyes basically. They love your eyes. You know me better than I know myself, okay? You know me better than I know myself, that they want to say. You accept and respect my limitations. You accept and respect my limitations. How you wrap your arms around me and how that makes me feel secure. How you make them feel secure by wrapping your arms around them. They love you, they feel you a lot, because wrapping our arms around them makes them secure, Divine Feminine. So these are the messages which I was getting for you. So they're ready for you because you pamper them like a baby, see? So they like your pampering. Beautiful message. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the Twin Flame Tarot deck. What are the messages from the Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine? What are the messages for this Twin Flame journey? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. I'm not going to take these cards, but what I got is that maybe they were in a running form, okay? Because you know that in a twin flame journey there is a running and a chasing dynamic which happens. So maybe they run away from you, and when they run away from you, you both get transformed, okay? Transformation take place between you and them. Then astrological transits get informed, cosmic energies are pushing or supporting you. So whatever astrological transits are happening right now, maybe they are either they are pushing you or they are supporting you. They affect this relationship. Then there is chasing. Stop chasing and focus on yourself. So see, running and chasing both are here. Maybe they run away from you and you are chasing, and if you're still chasing it, stop chasing that, okay? You need to stop chasing Divine Masculine and you need to focus on yourself. And there is running. Face your inner shadow. They have to face their inner shadow. Then there is you hold the key, soul blueprints to twin flame union. That's right. Once you stop chasing and focus on yourself, Divine Feminines, you will find the things, okay? Because your soul is having the blueprints, okay? You have the key. Your soul holds the blueprint. to the twin flame reunion. You are in a transformation period here. Transformation is always beautiful. So I'm not going to take these cards, but let's see what are the messages for which divine masculine to the divine feminine for this video, which I need to deliver. Focus on your soul mission. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having focus on your soul mission. See, life purpose and soul mission. You are here for a reason. You need to focus on your soul mission, divine feminines. And if divine masculine also watching that, you both have to focus on your soul mission. Life purpose, soul mission, you have to focus on that, because you are here for a reason to spread light, peace and harmony, to raise the vibration frequency of the planet Earth, of the Mother Earth. Okay, by helping people. Beautiful. Okay, soul purpose and the life purpose. You are having a life purpose and you have having a soul mission. So focus on your soul mission, focus on your life purpose. You are here for a reason. There is journey, a new chapter of your life is indicated. Okay, so there is a new journey which is going to start here. Okay, divine feminines, there is a message, there is a new journey which is going to start. Relax and let go, allow stillness to help you out. See, I told you, stop chasing, relax and let go. Let go anything on which you are holding on, because here I am having blockage, speaking negativity in your connection or your path. So maybe there is a blockage here, as you may be speaking negativity in your connection. So you need to relax and let go anything on which you are holding on. If you're having any blockages, if you're speaking negativity, relax and let go. There is make a choice, the now movement and a message here. So you need to make a choice. Okay, and this card I am getting again and again in every video of mine. So this is a specific message. 1212 was the recording reading time. You are sending mixed signals to the universe. Make a choice. If you will send a mixed signal to the universe, how will divine and universe will help you out in manifest your dreams? Okay, so you have to make a choice, you have to make a decision. Choose one direction, choose one clear-cut manifestation, that is called. Okay, make a decision for yourself. Then there is the now movement, enjoying your journey to attract more positivity. Do not worry about future, do not have guilt or sadness or worries about your past. Just enjoy the present. Okay, live in the present. Right now moment is in your hands. You cannot change your past, you cannot predict your future, but you can enjoy your now moment, you can enjoy your present. So enjoy your present, because if you are enjoying your present moment by creating beautiful memories of you, okay, you are attracting positivity towards you, and that will manifest in your future, because whatever you are doing right now, that will manifest in the future. So enjoy your positive right now moment, present moment. That's the message I'm getting here. Then there is a message, we are bringing information to benefit you. So divine is trying to give you important information that will benefit you. Okay, that will benefit you. So thank you so much, divine, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some tarot cards. What are the divine masculine? Wow, see, the wheel of fortune, new beginnings are coming for you. And here I got the journey card. New beginnings, end of delays, a change in a direction that offers happiness. Okay, so the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. A new journey, a new beginning is going to start here for you. So let's start. What are the messages from the divine masculine to the justice, divine masculine to the divine feminine? What they need to know, what they need to know, what they want to do next. They want to make a decision here. or they have already made a decision. That can be a possibility. What does divine masculine wants to do? Give me the messages which are important to deliver for this reading. Wow. Two of Cups, Page of Cup and Two of Cup. Beautiful. You will receive a new emotional situation, messages regarding relationship or social invitation. Great intuitive. No, solutions. Okay. Wow. Gentle, loving, dreamy, open-hearted, a new emotional situation, messages regarding relationships or social invitation, great intuitive insights. So you will receive some kind of message here. Okay, maybe you will receive some kind of invitation. Okay, but you will receive some kind of message here. Then there is Two of Cups. Okay, two hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful. Kindred spirits, don't give up on those who you love. See, this is beautiful energy which is coming your way, divine feminines. Then there is solutions, success that comes up from objective compromise, self-control and patience, forgiving and healing energy. Temperance, solutions, work on solutions. Okay, maybe they are coming towards you to give you an apology or saying sorry. Maybe they will message you. Okay, and they want to give you Two of Cups energy is here, and there is temperance. You need to keep patience, you need to work on solutions here. Let me see any other message which I need to deliver, which is important to deliver. King of Pentacles. Your plans are working out very well. Professional and financial success, using resources wisely, successful, stable, accomplished, powerful. So this is your divine masculine. Okay, they are coming your way. Maybe they are financially stable. Okay, grounded. They are coming for you for the solutions. Okay, here to give you equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles. Ace of Wands, because you ignite the passion inside them. Beautiful. They're coming towards you for the solutions. Okay, solutions. And here I'm having King of Pentacles. This is someone who is financially stable, grounded. Maybe they have financial stability, they know how to manage his finances. So this is your divine masculine energy. They're coming for the solutions. Keep your temperance, keep your patience with you. Okay, they want to give you Two of Cups energy here. A Page of Cup. Maybe you receive some kind of invitation or message from them. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from the angels and ancestors. What they want to give you the messages from for this twin flame journey. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages which I need to deliver for this twin flame journey, the DM to the DF for this video? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Animal guardian, trust your instinct. Okay, trust your instinct. That's the message. Then there is shape shifter, transform and unevil your gifts. You have beautiful gifts inside of you. Okay, transform and unevil your gift. Reveal your gift. Use your gifts. Here, trust your instinct and unevil your gifts. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Hermit, retreat and recharge. Okay, maybe many of you divine feminines right now, you need to retreat and recharge yourself by doing meditation, doing your soul searching. Okay, retreat and recharge yourself. Here I'm having beautiful messages. Thank you so much. Wow. Romance and connection. I just cut it out, this deck. Romance and connection. Beautiful. Can you see? Many of you getting reunion, reconciliation with your divine counterpart. I'm going to take it. Romance and connection. One more card. Signs and reminders. There are signs and reminders which are coming for you. Maybe you will receive some kind of signs and reminders. See, beautiful. Maybe you looking for, maybe you are receiving some kind of number synchronicities or the signs or the songs or anything, but there are some signs and reminders which are coming for you. Maybe you see butterflies, the birds, the rainbow. Okay, they are signs and reminders which is coming for you. Romance and connection signs and reminders. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Let's see the messages from this deck and then I'm closing out your reading. Let me see. What are the messages from the Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine for this video? Give me the messages which you want me to deliver. Give me the messages for this video. They are concerned about you, Divine Feminines. They are concerned about you. There is someone around you who is wearing a false mask in your family room. Then there is change. There is a journey which is going to start here. Again, the journey is here. Okay, in every card I am getting journey. So a new journey is going to start here, but someone is wearing a false mask here. Okay, so be aware of this deceptive energy. There is someone who is wearing a false mask around you. Then there is, you have to make a room in your family. Can you see there is lot of things which has been kept here? So you need to make a change in your house, make a space for a new love, make a space for love basically here. There is change which is coming for you. Okay, and there is a mature woman who is involved in your case here, or you are becoming more mature as you are getting high honor here. Success, recognition, victory. You're becoming more mature than before, and they are concerned about you. They are very concerned. Your Divine Masculine are very concerned regarding you. They're thinking of you. Okay, let's add some signs. What are the signs, the zodiac signs of your twin flame, and the month and the elements and the days which they are born of? What are the signs which I need to deliver? What are the messages? Let me know. They can be a Scorpio. They can have a water and air element. Okay, mixed element of water and air. They can be a Virgo. They can be a Gemini. They can be a Pisces. Any other? They can be a fire and earth element here. Okay. They can be an earth element here. They can be a Taurus and earth and water here. Any other? Any other? Okay, this wants to come out before also. They can be a Capricorn here. Okay, a Capricorn and earth and air. So earth and air, earth and water, earth sign, heavily earth sign is here. Then there is water and air, and there is fire and earth, but earth energy is here more. Okay, so Taurus, they can be a Taurus, they can be a Capricorn, they can be a Virgo, they can be a Scorpio, they can be Gemini, and they can be a Pisces. So these are the signs which I am getting here for you. Let's add some more messages from my deck which I have made. What are the messages you want me to give? Give me the messages which are important to deliver for this twin flame journey, for this video. What are the messages? This is the romance oracle card, okay, which I have made. Flirt, karmic relationships, keep an open mind, okay. So maybe you are flirting with an karmic relationships, maybe your divine masculine is having a karmic relationships, okay. So there is a karmic relationships, that means trigger and lessons, helping in soul's growth. This is a soul teacher, because karmic relationships help you out in your soul's growth, okay. They are the soul teachers. So maybe either you are flirting with your soul, with your karmic relationship, or your divine masculine is having a karmic relationship. Then there is keep an open mind. Your soulmate can be a different one, okay. So you need to keep your open mind. Your soulmate can be a different one. Igniting, exciting, finding your soul purpose, talents, new chapter, path, life changes, share your gifts. See, again the message is clear that you need to share your gifts. This is a new path which is opening up, so you need to work on your soul purpose here. That's the message I am getting here. Give your relationship a chance, okay. Give your relationship a chance. There is life, there is a new chapter, there is path, and life is going to change here, okay, because you're finding your soul purpose, you're finding your talent. You need to share your gifts. And many of you, this is a honeymoon period which is going to start here, okay. As I told you, many of you are going to reconcile with your divine counterparts, so enjoy your honeymoon period, okay. So these are the messages which I got for you from this deck. So this was the reading, this was the energy check, these were the things which I got for you, from your divine masculine to the divine feminine. I hope I help you out in some manner, sending you lots of love, light and energy to everyone who is watching this video, whoever you are, wherever you are in the world. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.